I like to speak English. I want to be an English teacher.
How are you?
Okay, Pothik.
Yeah,
How are you?
I'm totally fantastic. What about you?
Totally fantastic.
You're from Indonesia.
No, Indonesia.
At first, I want to describe
Mm-hmm.
initially. Pothik, I'm from Bangladesh, and
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
like I wanted to develop my speaking.
Finding partner for what?
Every day.
Okay.
This is the prime reason.
Mm-hmm.
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 This time is the second time.
How do you know about this app?
Like I found from Google search as well as Play Store.
Mm-hmm.
Apart
Mm-hmm.
from that, like one of my friends suggested me to install this application, and that's why I installed this application.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay, okay. So maybe around 2 months. Yes, 2 months.
If you don't mind,
Almost 3 months.
may I know what is the prime reason?
To make a friend to foreigners, and then yeah, also like you, I want to learn English. I want to improve my speaking skills because I like to speak English. I want to be an English teacher.
Okay, that's great.
Yes.
Actually, teaching is a like honorable profession, and also I took tuition, and I'm right now teaching three childrens.
Okay, so how do you learn English?
Started my speaking journey by watching videos from YouTube.
Mm-hmm.
Like
Mm-hmm.
I watched motivational videos as well as educational videos. From there,
Mm-hmm.
I basically learn vocabulary as well as pronunciation. Apart from that, I learn what should I do while speaking in front of thousands of people, like a motivational speaker. Right now, I am following
Yeah.
for my
Uh-huh.
destination.
Hmm. What is your destination?
Like my main destination, I would like to be a English trainer.
English trainer.
Apart
Mm.
from that, I would like to be a motivational speaker. I want to deliver my
Mm-hmm.
speak in front of many people
Mm-hmm.
along with on stage. English is an international language in every sector
Yeah, 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 yeah.
over the world. I want to be more affluent in English. From Bangladesh, in my country, if I am not qualified in
Mm-hmm.
English, then will not given like a better salary.
Oh,
It's
when
it's difficult for me
Mhm.
to get good job.